Hey Shooby-Doodlers, how are you doing? Today I'm going to show you how to draw a perfect right angle. Sounds like a geometry lesson. It's not, it's just about drawing. Let's not talk about it. Let's do it. Okay, so let's start off by drawing a line. That was easy enough. And let's say we want to draw a perpendicular at that point there. What's a perpendicular? It's a fancy name for a right angle. So we get our compass, open it out a bit, and we get the pin and we stick it right on the point where we want the right angle to be. And then we draw a little arc there and a little arc there. So those two little arcs where they cross over the line are equidistant and equal distance from the point where we want the right angle to be. Now I'm going to open the compass a little bit more, stick the pin on that arc crossing, and I'll take that up to there and draw a little arc there, and I'll draw a little arc there so that we get two arcs crossing up there. Let's bring it down a bit. Now I could do the same thing down here if I wanted, because this is, you're basically just creating a great big circle. Okay, all you need to do then is to find your original point and the crossing point up there and draw a line down there, and that will be 90 degrees. Simple. And that is how you construct a perpendicular or a perfect 90-degree angle. If you want a bit more help, come and join me on Patreon, where you can download a PDF help sheet. Thanks for watching. Click down here and make sure you are subscribed to the Draw Stuff Real Easy channel, and keep coming back for lots more drawing videos every week. In the meantime, keep drawing, drawing, drawing. Practice, 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 and I'll see you next time. You take care now. Bye-bye.